In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hose. If you're looking to spruce up your living space, discover new home inspirations, or even find professionals to help with any home project, Houzz is the perfect place to start. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Houzz. You can do this by visiting their website at www.houzz.com using a web browser or by downloading the Houzz app available for both iPhone and Android devices. The app provides a seamless experience whether you're on the go or browsing from home, and getting started is super easy. Now, to access all the cool features Houzz offers, you'll need to create a free account. Simply click on the Sign Up or Join Houzz button on the home page. You can register using your email, or for faster access, sign up using your Google or Facebook account, whichever you find most convenient. Once you've signed up and logged in, the fun begins with exploring endless home ideas. Tap on Ideas to delve into a world of inspiration. You can browse through an extensive collection of designs tailored by room or style. The beauty of Houzz is that it allows you to save your favorite ideas to an idea book. Think of it like Pinterest, but specially curated for your home design dreams. Now let's say you found the perfect inspiration and you're ready to translate that idea into reality. Houzz makes shopping for all your home needs straightforward. Head over to the shop section where you can find everything from furniture and decor to lighting and more. To refine your search, use filters to narrow down options by price, color, or style. When you found what you're looking for, adding the item to your cart is a breeze. From there, just enter your payment details and place your order easily. But what if you're planning a bigger home project and need professional help? Houzz has got you covered. Tap on Find Professionals to search for designers, architects, or contractors in your area. This feature allows you to read reviews, check out photos of their work, and even message them directly to ensure you find the perfect match for your project needs. So, whether you're just starting to brainstorm or you're ready to hire someone to bring your vision to life, Houzz offers a one-stop platform to transform your ideal home into reality. That's all for today's guide on how to use Houzz. Now ready your home spaces for something truly special. Thanks for joining me and happy designing!